Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying identity and consent. This protects you and the model. Once done, collect tax and payout details so revenue flows cleanly. Make sure to sign a clear talent agreement that defines content ownership and exclusivity. Next, define the model's niche and concrete pricing tiers, because positioning determines discoverability. Begin a simple content calendar, 3 posts per week and 1 exclusive piece monthly. These steps get you operational immediately and reduce legal and payment friction later. Now build a discoverable profile that converts visitors into subscribers. Use clear niche tags and a short benefit-driven bio. Once the profile is live, design a content pipeline. Batch shoot, edit, caption, and schedule. Make sure to label files with dates and tags to speed reuse and analytics. Train the model on messaging boundaries and response templates so interactions scale. Finally, set up secure cloud backups and an editing checklist to maintain consistent quality and delivery. Launch with a short promotional window and a welcome bundle to drive initial subscriptions, coordinate shoutouts and link swaps to expand reach. Once live, monitor engagement and revenue metrics daily at first, then weekly, to adjust pricing and content mix. This is how you scale. If problems arise, platform policy flags, or payment holds, immediately gather ID, receipts, and correspondence and submit formal support tickets. Keep a troubleshooting checklist so you can resolve common holds quickly and preserve earnings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.